Good day. The influence of Americas to the Philippines. On July 4, 1946, United States declared the Philippines an independent nation. Now, the relation between Americans and Filipinos are very friendly and warm. Filipinos love Americans and Americans. Here are some cool things you influence of American to the Philippines. 1. Religious freedom. When the United States took over Philippines, the people began to be free to join whatever religion. Christian church. There in the Philippines, religious is a big part of cultural. 2. Free education. Americans introduced the idea of free education to the Philippines Islands. Filipino children could have free education teachers called Tomam sites. 3. English. English began to be taught in the school, and this is the language that teachers use. Lots of English words have made their way into Tagalog language. Have a few fun examples like cake, cookie, cookies. Number 4, clothing. Here are a few types of clothing. Have America introduced to the Filipino like belts, suspenders, polo shirts, shorts. And number 5, food. Here are lists of some food that America introduced to the Philippines like hamburger, sandwiches, oatmeal, and hot dog. The distinct qualities of English language. 1. Very easy to learn. English is the one easiest natural languages in the world. 2. Latin alphabet. The English language uses the Latin alphabet with only 26 basics. 3. Its simple inflection is the name of the extra letters added nouns, verbs, and adjectives in their different grammatical. 4. Receptiveness. A significant feature of the English language is receptiveness to accepting and adapting words from other languages. 5. It's generally fixed word order. Another strong characteristic of the English language, also English, has accepted words from classical languages like Latin, Greek, and Sanskrit. 7. Pronunciation. Pronunciation of English words such as this clothes tip of the tongue to produce words. 8. Continuous tense. Many languages do not have a continuous tense form. English learners may make mistakes. 9. Articles. The article system is another feature of English grammar that causes some student error most difficulties. 10. Phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is an idiomatic phrase consisting of verb and another item. 11. Non-tonal English is non-tonal language in tone language. Example, Chinese and Vietnamese. 12. Sounds and spelling. A final feature of English that cause problems for non-native learners. The growth and development in English language. The evolution of spoken English began from the 5th century with waves of attack and eventual occupation by Anglo-Saxon, Jutes, and Frisian. They spoke the West Germanic tongue but with different dialect. Their interweaving created a new Germanic language now referred to as Anglo-Saxon or Old English. Roots and the current state of this language in the world. The common ancestor of English, Latin, Greek, Russian, Gaelic, Hindi, and many other languages spoken in Europe and India is known as Proto-Indo-European, whereas the more recent common ancestor of just English German, Dutch, Norwegian, and the other Germanic languages is known as Proto-Germanic. Thank you and God bless.